Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use an autofill feature on Instagram. Instagram autofill feature is very handy when you need to provide your contact details while shopping on the platform. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use an autofill feature. Go to your Instagram profile tab and click on the three lines icon in the upper right corner. Hit Settings at the bottom of the screen. After that, press on Account. Now find the Browser Settings section and tap to open it. In order to turn on an autofill feature, switch the toggle to the right next to Autofill Contact Forms. However, that's not all. You need to click on Add Contact Info. Fill in a form and hit Save. The next time Instagram asks you to enter your contact information, you will be able to use an autofill function. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use an autofill feature on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.